Hi, it's DK. Today, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about um, using our flash drive, USB flash drive to store programs. As a backup, that's a really good idea to do so, or to back it up by storing it on Google Drive. So right now, let's just store things on Google Drive. I'm going to open up my web browser because my internet's up. Yep, my Wi-Fi's up. There's my web browser. I'll do a drive. You guys all have space on in Google Drive from your USD account. Okay, so I'm going to type in my USD email account. All right, that's my USD account. There we go. My single sign-on page for USD. And it should give me my drive, and it does give me my drive. So I'm going to back up my program that I wrote, my howsit program, okay, howsit.c program. All right, so it's a little slow, but it'll get there. All right, so those are all my files. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in there. I'm going to create a directory, theoretically, once it allows me to do so. Come on. There we go. New folder. And I'll call it Programs for Fall 2017. Okay? No spaces. You can name it whatever you want to, of course. Create that. Alright, should have created Programs 2014. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Programs Fall 2014. Okay? It was created at 2:49 p.m., which is right now. All right, so I'm going to double-click that. Open it up. So there's my Programs 2014 folder. That's opened up. Okay. I'm going to open up my Programs folder, which has my ejecting.c program on it. I'm going to drag and drop that file into Google Drive to store it. You can see the upload has been completed. There it is. And there it is. There's my file. Okay, so that's one way to store your files. You can put it in Google Drive. All right, so I'm going to close my Google Drive. Sign out. All right, close this window. And now I'm going to use my USB drive. All right, so I'm going to take this guy and stick it into any one of these 4 USB ports that I have. Okay, any one of these 4 USB ports. I'll stick it into the first one that I get to. Oh, there it is. Removable medium is inserted. Okay, open up the file manager. There it is. It's opened up directly to my my medium right there, or Kim, right? So I'm going to create a folder in here. File, create new folder, and I'll call it Programs Fall 2017 in here. And it should have done so. There it is. There's my Programs Fall 2014 right there. Fantastic. I'll open that up. Click. There's my Programs Fall 2017 folder on my USB drive. All right, so I'm going to take my ejecting.c program, just drag it in there to make a copy of it in my folder there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close this, right? Close that, and I'm going to go ahead and close this. And you notice that on the desktop here, there's my USB drive, right? So it automatically throws it onto your desktop, which is kind of nice. If I open this up, you can see that there's my Programs Fall 2017 folder in my USB drive, and there's ekim01a.c file. All right, great. Now, in order to, I mean, you can theoretically just pull this thing out, okay? Pull out the USB drive. But my recommendation is not to do so. My recommendation is to soft dismount it, soft eject it rather. And the way you do that is up in this corner right in here, there's an eject button, all right? So you just hit that, click, and that's my jet flash. Make sure that it's the right one, okay? My jet flash Transcend, it says Transcend on my USB drive. It's a 16 gigabyte drive. I'll eject that. Great. You'll notice it's gone here on the lower left, and it's been safely removed. So I can remove it from my Raspberry Pi. Now, if I want to shut down my Raspberry Pi again, you want to soft shut this down. So you do a shutdown and soft shut it down. Hello. There we go. And you can see that it's doing its reconnecting business. You know, give it a 5 to 10 seconds to do this bit so that it'll actually shut down the processes. And by this time, you should be able to just close it up, just disconnect it. Okay? And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in class.